What's up everyone? I'm Arianne. This is my sister Julianna and we are the Dragonfly Dancers. Today we're going to show you how to do a partner behind the back pass, which looks like this. So there are a couple tricks I would recommend, like just learning as a prereq to doing this trick. One of them is just going to be a reverse figure 8 into a stall. And when you stall, your hand is going to be, the back of your hand is going to be facing away from you, and it's also going to be placed on the side of the Flowstar furthest away from you. From here, you're going to go into a forward figure 8, which is just 1, 2, and we're going to only hit 2 beats before the release. But it is the same motion as a forward single beat figure 8, which is this. So the next part of this trick, you're going to go reverse figure 8, stall, and then when we go into our forward figure 8, we're going to go 1, 2, and when we release, we're going to release on the other side of our body. So you can drop your shoulder down on the side you're releasing on and reach over to the other side of your body. So we're going to go reverse figure 8, stall, forward figure 8, pass. So when you're going to be doing the pass, don't forget to angle your hands slightly towards where you want the star to go. So for example, since Juliana is right here for me, I'm going to slightly place my body toward her. And then when I release, leading with the side of the star so it goes straight towards her. So 1, 2. There are some little variations of this trick, and it just pretty much comes down to the planes and how you're angling your body. So I could do it like more on a horizontal plane, for example. Or I could do it facing her, which is the vertical plane. So this is a really fun trick that you can incorporate into your flows if you want to flow with a friend or a partner. And if you are interested in learning more about the tricks that we are learning in order to do this trick, be sure to look up at the top of the screen and we'll have the other linked tutorials. Thank you for watching today's tutorial. We're the Dragonfly Dancers. I hope this helps, and we will see you next week.